Police search for missing teens. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police are advising the public to be on the lookout for two teenagers who went missing over the weekend. They are 14-year-old Renee Stevens, who has been missing since August 27, and 17-year-old Antoine Lewis, who was reported missing on August 28. Stevens is of dark complexion, medium build, and about 5 feet 10 inches tall. She was last seen at her home in Twickenham Park housing scheme in Spanish Town, St. Catherine on Saturday. Her mode of dress at the time she went missing is unknown. While Lewis was last seen wearing a blue jean short, a red shirt, and a red cap, he sports a lock hairstyle and is autistic. The male teen went missing from his house in Paradise Court, Kingston, and has not been seen or heard from since. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of any of these missing teens is being asked to contact the police at 119, the emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.